So this is the third video for biopsychology, another relatively simple section, and this is the fight or flight response in humans. Okay, this will be all the notes that we'll take for today's video. So we're going to talk through two things. We're going to talk through the process of the fight or flight response, and then we're going to talk about the effects of certain hormones and neurotransmitters in the body, because we could be asked particularly about the role of one of those. So first of all, you recognize a threat. So this could be perhaps a lion jumping out from some grass or something like that. Once that happens, your hypothalamus is going to go into overdrive. Very quickly, it's going to activate the sympathetic branch of the autonomic nervous system. So if you remember, that's what we looked at in the first video. Once this happens, the adrenal gland is going to release adrenaline into the endocrine system, and noradrenaline is going to be released in the brain. And we're going to look at the effects of both of those hormones in one moment. And as a result of that release, there are going to be a lot of changes, and this is to prepare yourself for a quick response, which of course would be to fight or to run away. Okay, so focusing down a little bit on the role of adrenaline. So adrenaline is released by the endocrine system into the bloodstream. So it's going to have effects on the body. So straight away, it's going to increase your heart rate and increase your blood pressure. And the idea behind this is to increase the blood supply to your muscles. Now, of course, increase blood supply to your muscles might need this oxygen to go and run away or to be used in fighting. It increases this blood flow by increasing the heart rate, but also by constricting the blood vessels. This constriction of blood vessels will divert the blood from your skin. Now, clearly your skin isn't going to need oxygen in the short term, but also if you get cut, you'll be unlikely to bleed heavily. Also, your kidneys will have blood taken away from it because there's no need to process urine at that time, and also there's no point spending energy digesting lunch when you might be lunch, so it will shut down your digestive system as well. Your respiration, your sweating will all go up, as you're probably going to want to try and release heat that you're going to use from running. So noradrenaline is going to be released in the brain. So this is going to have mental effects rather than physical effects. So some psychological effects going on here. So you're probably going to need a lot of information quickly. You're going to need to make decisions, and those decisions might be life or death. So information processing is going to have to be fast. You're also going to need to try and relate what's happened previously in your life to see if there's a way out. So your attention is going to go up. You're going to lay down memories very well, because if you survive, you want to learn from the experience, and you're also going to want to bring memories forward as well. Obviously, this is going to be an increase in anxiety. You're not going to feel particularly restful. Also, if you can detect there's a danger but it's not completely imminent, you might need to be quite vigilant and alert. So perhaps you thought you saw something in the bushes, but you're not so sure it hasn't been attacked you just yet. You're going to be on your guard because of the noradrenaline pumping around your brain. Okay, so that's that section done. I want, of course, a full set of notes on the mind map if possible, but if not, a full set on A4. I'll check those as you come in. And I want you to be able to describe as an applied question what might happen for the fight or flight response. I want, bullet pointed and examples. And the situation I want you to be able to explain is if you woke up in the middle of the night and you thought you'd heard glass breaking, like maybe your window, what would happen going through your body and why. And of course, be ready for a quiz. Thank you.